Oh yeah, I'm back at it again, and this time with maple syrup. This is actually a new budget cube, straight out of the box. So yeah, no setup. Feels very dry. Tell me you're Canadian without telling me you're Canadian. This is what I lube my cubes with. First turns. Whoa, okay, so it's a little bit slower, but more smoother. Yep, pretty much it. Except that there's a lot of it that came out, and it's like really sticky here. So, conclusion, it makes your puzzle a little bit smoother, slower, but also stickier on the outside. So, yep, thanks for watching. Newbie QB.